Picture a solitary wanderer, Voyager 1, gliding through the infinite blackness, a silent envoy from Earth, venturing farther than any machine humanity has ever built. Since its launch in 1977, Voyager 1 has delivered our first up-close encounters with Jupiter and Saturn, unveiling swirling tempests, enigmatic moons and radiant rings that once appeared as mere specks in the night sky. But Voyager's journey didn't end there. Fueled by its own momentum, it pressed on, breaking through the boundaries of our solar system into the uncharted darkness beyond. Today, it stands as the most distant artifact of human hands, carrying a golden record, a time capsule of Earth's sounds and images, our greeting to the cosmos, cast adrift in hopes that another intelligence might one day discover it. Voyager is our remote observer in a realm we can't touch, sampling the winds of distant stars, measuring cosmic radiation, and tuning into the faint whispers of the universe, sending back secrets from a place where sunlight never reaches. Its aging instruments, still faithfully working after decades, are our only direct link to the mysteries of deep space, delivering data no other probe can match. This modest craft, about the size of a car, stands as a symbol of human curiosity, our relentless drive to explore, to learn, and to reach beyond the boundaries of our world. For decades, Voyager has charted the frontier where the sun's influence fades and the galaxy's domain begins, mapping the edge of our solar neighborhood and stepping boldly into interstellar space. It has endured punishing radiation, cosmic storms, and the deep freeze of space, becoming a legend of the space age and a beacon of human endurance. Its mission has evolved from exploring planets to pure discovery, charting a path into the unknown with no destination but the promise of revelation. And just when we thought its greatest moments were behind it, Voyager sent a signal that stunned the world of astrophysics, reminding us that the universe still holds unimaginable surprises. It picked up a signal from the darkest reaches of space, something that by all logic shouldn't exist, challenging the very core of our understanding. Voyager has made us pause, listen and question everything we thought we knew, opening new mysteries for the explorers of tomorrow. Its odyssey has entered its most thrilling phase yet. As Voyager drifts ever onward, it continues to ignite our imagination, our hope, and our endless quest for knowledge. So, what is this mysterious object that has captured Voyager's attention, drawing the curiosity of scientists and stargazers alike? Let's dive into the fascinating world of black holes. Picture space-time as a stretchy, flexible sheet that can be bent and warped by mass. Place a heavy bowling ball on it, it creates a dip. That's how gravity works, pulling objects toward the mass. Now imagine something so incredibly dense and heavy that it doesn't just make a dip, it punches a hole straight through the sheet. That's a black hole. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so powerful, not even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can escape its pull. Black holes are born from the dramatic deaths of massive stars. When a giant star runs out of fuel, its core collapses under its own gravity, shrinking down to a singularity, an infinitely small, unimaginably dense point. Surrounding this singularity is the event horizon, the invisible boundary, often called the point of no return. Once anything crosses this boundary, whether it's light, matter, or even information, it can never escape. We can't see black holes directly, but we know they're there by the chaos they create. Stars whipping around empty space, blazing X-rays from hot gas spiraling in, and ripples in space-time called gravitational waves. Black holes are the universe's ultimate prisons, swallowing everything that comes too close and erasing all traces of what falls in. Inside, the familiar laws of physics as we know them seem to break down, leaving scientists with more questions than answers. What really happens at the singularity, where gravity crushes matter to an infinite density? Could it be a gateway to another universe, or perhaps a bridge to somewhere else in space-time? We simply don't know. For decades, scientists believed the answers were locked away forever behind the event horizon, hidden from view. Black holes challenge our understanding of reality at its deepest level, pushing the boundaries of science and imagination. They are not just the stuff of science fiction, they are the most mysterious and fascinating objects in the entire cosmos. And now Voyager may have found a crack in their armor, offering us a tantalizing glimpse into the secrets black holes hold. Before Voyager's new data, black holes were governed by unbreakable rules from Einstein's general relativity. The most fundamental nothing escapes a black hole. Once past the event horizon, matter and energy are lost forever. Black holes only reveal their mass, spin and charge. Nothing else. As physicist John Wheeler said, a black hole has no hair. All other information is erased. Black holes are the universe's ultimate information shredders. Stephen Hawking theorized they might emit faint random radiation, Hawking radiation, but it was thought to carry no information. So black holes were seen as cosmic vacuum cleaners, never giving anything back. Any idea of something structured emerging from a black hole was pure fantasy. To suggest otherwise would challenge a century of physics. The rules seemed absolute: black holes only take, never give. This was the bedrock of astrophysics, but Voyager's discovery threatens to upend it all. The universe, it seems, may have surprises left. The discovery began quietly, almost unnoticeably, as Voyager continued its lonely journey through the vast emptiness between the stars. During what was supposed to be a routine data downlink, Voyager's plasma wave instrument picked up something strange, something no one expected. For years, the instrument had recorded a steady, unchanging hum, a background noise that had become almost comforting in its consistency. But now, suddenly, there was a new, structured signal, faint yet unmistakable, with a clear and repeating pattern that stood out from the usual static. NASA scientists first suspected a malfunction in the aging probe, but after running extensive diagnostics, Voyager checked out perfectly. The signal was real, and it was coming from deep space. Using Voyager's orientation and the power of deep space radio telescopes, they traced the signal's origin, pointing directly towards Sagittarius A*, the supermassive black hole at the very center of our galaxy. At first, the team theorized it might be a flare from the accretion disk, a common event near black holes, but the signal's characteristics didn't match any known phenomena. Instead, it was narrow-band, repeating with precision, almost as if it were a coded pulse, a message embedded in the noise. The most shocking part was the Doppler shift in the signal, which revealed it was moving away from the black hole's event horizon, defying all expectations. This meant the signal wasn't coming from the chaotic disk outside, but from within the very boundary of the black hole itself, a place thought to be inescapable. It was as if some form of energy or information had actually emerged from the black hole, crossing a boundary no one believed could be crossed. This was no ordinary cosmic noise or random fluctuation. The data was clear and undeniable. Something structured, something with intent, was coming out of the black hole. What began as a quiet puzzle quickly escalated into a scientific crisis, sending shockwaves through the astrophysics community. Voyager had detected the impossible, challenging everything we thought we knew about the universe. Suddenly, the rules of black holes, the very laws of physics, were thrown into question, opening the door to new mysteries. The universe had just revealed a new secret, and humanity stood on the edge of a discovery that could change our understanding of reality itself. The news hit the scientific community like a shockwave. Voyager's data suggested the impossible, something escaping a black hole. Skepticism was immediate. Could the data be wrong? Was it interference? Teams worldwide raced to verify the finding, pointing radio telescopes at the source. Preliminary confirmations trickled in. Other observatories found faint traces matching Voyager's signal. The finding held up. This wasn't a mistake. The implications were staggering. If information can escape a black hole, Einstein's theory is incomplete. A fundamental piece of gravity and space-time was missing. Scientists felt a mix of terror and exhilaration, standing at the edge of a new frontier. The old rulebook was gone. Cosmology had been reset. The universe was stranger than we ever imagined. The scientific world buzzed with both excitement and confusion. This was a paradigm shift, textbook history in the making, unfolding before their eyes. Theories that had guided decades of research now seemed inadequate. Physicists scrambled for explanations, but only more questions remained. How could a structured signal possibly escape a black hole? Did it require new physics, wormholes, or perhaps even new dimensions? The community was awash in speculation, but consensus remained elusive. The discovery humbled even the greatest minds, forcing them to admit the limits of current models. This was science at its best, confronting anomalies, admitting ignorance, and striving for deeper understanding. Some felt a subtle anxiety. If we're wrong about black holes, what else are we missing? The challenge was daunting, but the sense of wonder was truly overwhelming. One faint signal unleashed a torrent of questions. What is the signal's nature? Is it a natural phenomenon or something else? The repeating structure led to speculation. Could it be artificial? Beyond that, the discovery forces us to rethink black hole physics. Is the event horizon a one-way door or something more complex? Could this resolve the black hole information paradox and unite quantum mechanics with relativity? The discovery expands our cosmic imagination, forcing us to ask bigger, bolder questions. Voyager's finding is not just a puzzle, it's a new frontier. This discovery, sent across billions of miles by Voyager, marks a new chapter in our cosmic story. For centuries, the universe seemed vast and indifferent, governed by immutable laws. This signal from a black hole's edge changes that. It shows the universe is still full of surprises. The implications are immense. New missions, new technologies, and new theories will follow. Voyager's greatest discovery came long after its primary mission, a gift from our investment in curiosity. It's a powerful argument for exploration and listening to the cosmos. The universe is not a static machine, but a place of endless wonder. Our most cherished theories are just stepping stones to deeper truths. The journey of Voyager and humanity into the unknown has only just begun.